Today we talk about how can you enable photo edit text on your Meitu app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on system accesses management. Then you come to next step here, you click here on location accesses. Then you come here to photo edit text, just clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here photo edit text enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable this sign here. I wish now you are get it. So that's all. You just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.